Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've been with me for a while, I want to say hi and welcome back. So today we are not having a Zoom haul like we always do, but we're going to have something fun. Today I'm going to create this look using products that I have bought from Zoom, especially this palette. It's from Beauty Glazed. It's called Your Shades, and these are the colors, and they look really cute, so I decided to create a look out of it, and I think it came out good. As I can see, it came out pretty okay. I'm not a makeup artist, but I tried my best to, look good. So if you want to see how I created this look, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to the end of the video.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still, I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh,
So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. The lashes, I went off camera to put on lashes and to, you know, highlight my inner tear dot, and then put on some, you know, fancy ass dress for you guys. So the lashes I'm wearing, it's from June. I, you know, showed you guys earlier in my previous video, and it's this magnetic lashes, and it's really good, and I'm getting addicted to it. I hardly, you know, take any more lash glue and lash and, you know, waste all the time. I'm getting addicted to it because it's much easier to, you know, put on the liner and just wait for a little bit and then put the lashes on and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want more videos like this showing you the things that I bought from June, the palette, and you want me to create a look out of it, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll definitely do it for you guys, especially beginners out there, because I'm a beginner as well. I'm not a pro or a makeup artist. It's just bit by bit, you know, we can learn together. So see you in my next video.